सामने से prominent है. So this is the region of femoral triangle. One oblique incision is given from the anterior superior iliac spine up to the pubic tubercle, and second horizontal incision is given almost at the junction of upper 1/3 and lower 2/3 of thigh, and one midline longitudinal incision is given connecting both the incision. Then skin and superficial fascia is reflected, deep fascia of thigh is reflected, and femoral triangle is exposed. Now see the boundaries. So lateral boundary is formed by the medial border of sartorius muscle. This is sartorius muscle, and the medial boundary is formed by medial border of adductor longus muscle. This is adductor longus muscle. So its medial boundary is formed by medial border of adductor longus muscle, and the apex is formed by the meeting point of both muscles. Base is formed by the inguinal ligament. Okay. Now the roof is formed by the deep fascia of thigh. Now see the floor muscle. Floor muscle includes the adductor longus, pectineus, then this tendon of psoas major, this one, tendon of psoas major, and lastly the iliacus muscle. Okay. Now see the content from lateral to medial. These are the lymph nodes, femoral vein. This femoral vein continues above as external iliac vein, and it is a continuation of posterior tibial, actually popliteal vein. It is a continuation of popliteal vein. And this is femoral artery. It continues. It is a continuation of external iliac artery. So this is one of its major branch, the arteria profunda femoris. This arteria profunda femoris gives one lateral circumflex femoral artery, this one, and one medial circumflex femoral artery, this one. Okay, both divide into the ascending, transverse and descending branch. This lateral circumflex femoral artery divides the femoral nerve into anterior and the posterior division. This is femoral nerve. Root value is L2, L3 and L4. So from anterior division, two cutaneous nerve, medial and the intermediate cutaneous, and one muscular branch is given to the sartorius muscle. And from the posterior division, all branches are to muscles, that is the muscular, and only one cutaneous, that is the long saphenous nerve. This is the long saphenous nerve. This one is saphenous nerve. Okay. This one. This is the saphenous nerve. Okay. This is the region of adductor canal. Adductor canal, its lateral boundary is formed by vastus medialis, and the medial boundary is formed by adductor magnus below and adductor longus above. This is adductor magnus, this is adductor longus, and roof is formed by deep fascia of thigh along with the sartorius muscle. Contents are femoral artery, femoral vein, nerve to vastus medialis, and saphenous nerve. Okay, saphenous nerve.